Hi, everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Intuitive Bodywork Podcast. I am your host, Alan Jordan. I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we dive into the fascinating and transformative world of neuromuscular massage therapy. In this episode, we're going to look at neuromuscular therapy, a potent form of therapy that addresses both acute and chronic pain with remarkable precision. We'll explore how this specialized massage technique works, what makes it effective, and the myriad of benefits it offers. Whether you're a wellness enthusiast, a practitioner, or someone dealing with pain, there's a wealth of information here for you. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this journey to better understanding your body and how neuromuscular massage therapy can make a tangible difference in your well-being. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single moment of this episode.
All right, everyone, let's start by defining what neuromuscular therapy, or NMT, is all about. Neuromuscular therapy is a specialized form of massage that zeroes in on the body's soft tissues, focusing on muscles, tendons, ligaments, and fascia. By examining and treating these areas with precise hands-on techniques, NMT aims to fix muscular dysfunction, relieve discomfort, and boost overall physical well-being. Now, why is NMT so important in the realm of health and wellness? Well, it stands out due to its effectiveness in managing and releasing both acute and chronic pain. Unlike some treatments that only mask the pain or provide temporary relief, NMT tackles the root causes. This makes it a powerful option for long-term healing and comfort. So, what exactly are the techniques used in NMT? Neuromuscular therapy incorporates a step-by-step process guided by scientific understanding and clinical evidence. The therapy addresses the body's soft tissues layer by layer, from superficial to deep. It involves sustained pressure, friction, and stretching techniques designed to release trigger points and muscle tension. This hands-on approach allows the body to heal independently, eliminating most causes of muscular pain. Additionally, NMT is incredibly versatile and can seamlessly integrate into various practice settings. Whether it's mainstream medicine, chiropractic care, sports performance environments, or multidisciplinary clinics, neuromuscular therapy fits right in. Its adaptability makes it a go-to option for a wide range of practitioners, from general healthcare providers to specialized therapists. In our next segment, we'll dive deep into the factors that contribute to pain and how NMT addresses each one. Stay tuned! Welcome back. In this segment, we're going to explore the 6 factors that contribute to pain and how neuromuscular therapy addresses each one. Pain is a complex and multifaceted issue, but understanding these core factors can provide valuable insights into how to manage and relieve it effectively. First, let's talk about ischemia. This occurs when there's a lack of blood supply to soft tissues like skeletal muscles. Without adequate oxygen and nutrients, these tissues can't function properly, leading to pain and discomfort. Ischemia requires immediate attention as it can significantly impact overall well-being. By restoring proper blood flow, neuromuscular therapy helps alleviate ischemic pain and allows tissues to heal. Next, we have trigger points. These are fascinating phenomena where nerves fire impulses rapidly, often causing pain in areas different from where the trigger point is located. This referred pain can make diagnosing the issue tricky. Neuromuscular therapy applies targeted pressure to release these points, promoting improved blood flow and reducing the pain. Moving on to nerve compression or entrapment. This occurs when nerves are subjected to pressure from surrounding structures, be it bone, cartilage, or soft tissue. It results in significant pain and discomfort. Neuromuscular therapy aims to release the tension in these areas, thus freeing the entrapped nerves and restoring normal function. We'll also touch on postural distortion, an imbalance in the musculoskeletal system that causes the body to move off its normal planes. This often leads to contracted muscles and overall body distortion. NMT helps by identifying these imbalances and targeting specific muscle tensions to restore proper posture and alleviate pain. Let's not forget nutritional considerations. What you eat can significantly influence your pain levels. Certain foods can exacerbate pain, while others can promote healing. By making mindful dietary choices, we can complement the hands-on techniques of NMT for more effective pain management. Finally, emotional wellness and stress management play crucial roles in pain perception. Chronic stress can amplify pain, making it harder to manage. Neuromuscular therapy incorporates stress relief methods that contribute to improved mental health and, subsequently, reduced pain. Armed with this understanding, you're now better equipped to appreciate how neuromuscular therapy can address different pain factors. Stick around as we continue our journey into the world of NMT. All right, let's dive into our first factor, ischemia. Ischemia is a condition that occurs when there's a lack of blood supply to soft tissues, including skeletal muscles. This shortage of blood flow means that the tissues are not getting enough oxygen and nutrients to properly function. It's like expecting your car to run without any fuel. Impossible, right? The cells in our bodies feel the same way when deprived of their much-needed oxygen and nutrients. When this happens, the tissues can suffer and malfunction. One of the most notable symptoms of ischemia is sensitivity to touch or localized pain in the affected area. Imagine pressing on a sore spot and feeling an intense, sharp pain. It's like your body's way of screaming for help. This isn't just an inconvenience. Prolonged ischemia can lead to more significant health issues if left untreated. The lack of proper blood flow also results in the accumulation of waste products in the muscles, further contributing to discomfort and damage. So, why is restoring blood flow so crucial? Proper blood circulation ensures that oxygen and nutrients are delivered efficiently to the body's cells, which is essential for tissue repair and overall health. Neuromuscular therapy plays a pivotal role in addressing ischemia. By applying precise manual techniques, it helps to stimulate blood flow, essentially waking up those starved tissues and allowing them to start healing. When blood flow is restored, those sensitive spots become less tender, and the pain gradually diminishes. In summary, ischemia significantly impacts our soft tissues and overall health by restricting necessary blood, oxygen, and nutrient flow. Neuromuscular therapies focus on stimulating blood flow to these affected areas, helps to alleviate pain, and restore optimal function. That's the beauty of NMT. It's not just about treating pain, it's about getting to the root cause and fostering genuine healing. Stick with us as we continue to explore the fascinating ways neuromuscular therapy can make a difference in pain management and overall well-being. Welcome back to the Intuitive Bodywork Podcast. I'm your host, Alan Jordan. We're diving deeper into the world of neuromuscular therapy, and it's time to talk about something particularly fascinating, trigger points. Now, grab a seat or get comfortable, because this segment is incredibly insightful. First, let's define what a trigger point is. A trigger point is an area within a muscle where nerves fire impulses rapidly and irregularly. Think of them as little clusters of hyperactivity in your muscles, causing pain and discomfort. But here's what makes them unique and a bit sneaky. The pain they create isn't always felt where the trigger point is located. This phenomenon is known as referred sensation. For example, a trigger point in your neck might cause pain that you feel in your head or arm. This can make diagnosing and treating the issue quite challenging, as the source of pain is not always obvious. So, how do these trigger points impact the body? For starters, they inhibit proper blood flow. When a trigger point is active, the body's nerves send out signals that disrupt the normal circulation of blood. This lack of blood flow can lead to a condition called ischemia, which we talked about earlier. Ischemia is marked by a deficiency of blood supply to tissues, which exacerbates pain and discomfort. But neuromuscular therapy has an answer to this problem. By using precise and targeted pressure techniques, therapists can deactivate these hyperactive nerve sites, reducing the referred pain and improving blood flow. The main goal here is to restore the body's natural function and relieve discomfort caused by these rogue trigger points. The therapeutic approach involves identifying the trigger point and then applying sustained pressure to release it. You might feel some discomfort during the process, but trust me, the relief that follows is well worth it. Once the pressure is applied, the blood flow is normalized, and the muscles start to function properly again. This not only alleviates the immediate pain, but also helps to prevent future occurrences. To summarize, trigger points are small areas of excessive nerve activity within muscles that cause pain and disrupt blood flow. Neuromuscular therapy effectively addresses these points by using precise pressure techniques to reduce pain and restore normal function. It's another example of how NMT gets to the root of the problem for true, lasting relief. Stay tuned as we continue exploring the next factor, nerve compression and entrapment. There's so much more to uncover about how neuromuscular therapy can benefit your overall well-being. Welcome back to the Intuitive Bodywork Podcast. I'm your host, Alan Jordan. In this segment, we're going to delve into the intricacies of nerve compression and entrapment, a critical aspect of neuromuscular pain that affects many of us. So, let's get into it. First, what exactly do we mean by nerve compression or entrapment? Simply put, it's when nerves are subjected to pressure from surrounding structures. This could be from bones, cartilage, or even soft tissues, which restricts the normal functioning of these nerves. Think of it as trying to pinch a garden hose. The flow of water gets restricted or cut off entirely. In our bodies, this pinched nerve scenario translates to significant pain and discomfort. Now, let's talk about the role of soft tissues in this equation. While bone and cartilage can indeed compress nerves, soft tissues like muscles and fascia often play a more prominent role. When these soft tissues become irritated, inflamed, or tight, they can exert pressure on the nerves, leading to what we describe as nerve entrapment. This can be just as uncomfortable, if not more so, than compression by harder structures like bones. A prime example of nerve entrapment caused by soft tissues is piriformis syndrome. The piriformis muscle is a small muscle located deep in the buttocks. Its primary job is to help in the rotation of the hip. However, when this muscle becomes overly tight or inflamed, it can press against the sciatic nerve that runs underneath it. This results in a condition known as piriformis syndrome, characterized by pain, numbness, and tingling in the buttocks, hip, and leg. So, what causes the piriformis muscle to act out like this? Several factors can contribute, including overuse or strain from activities such as running, biking, or even prolonged sitting. Injury to the muscle from falls or accidents can also be a culprit. Additionally, some people have an anatomical variation where the sciatic nerve actually passes through the piriformis muscle instead of underneath it, making it more susceptible to compression. This is where neuromuscular therapy, NMT, comes to the rescue. The primary goal of NMT in such scenarios is to release the tension and restore the proper function of the affected nerves. By applying precise pressure and using specific hands-on techniques, therapists can alleviate the compression on the nerve. This allows the nerve to function normally again, reducing pain and discomfort. Neuromuscular therapy doesn't just address the symptoms, but goes deeper to treat the underlying soft tissue dysfunction that contributes to nerve compression or entrapment. Consistent treatments can help reduce the muscle tension around the nerve, promote better blood flow, and enhance overall nerve function. It's all about bringing the body back to balance, offering both immediate relief and long-term healing. So, to recap, nerve compression and entrapment occur when nerves are subjected to undue pressure from bones, cartilage, or, more commonly, soft tissues like muscles. A notable example is piriformis syndrome, where the piriformis muscle compresses the sciatic nerve, causing pain and discomfort. Neuromuscular therapy aims to release this pressure and restore normal nerve function, offering a comprehensive solution to this painful condition. I hope you found this segment insightful. Stay tuned as we continue to explore other factors that neuromuscular therapy addresses to relieve pain and enhance your overall well-being. You're listening to the Intuitive Bodywork Podcast, and I'm your host, Alan Jordan. Let's move on to our next topic. Welcome back to the Intuitive Bodywork Podcast. I'm your host, Alan Jordan. In this segment, we're diving into the topic of postural distortion, an issue many of us encounter but might not fully understand. So, let's break it down, shall we? First, what exactly is postural distortion? Simply put, it's an imbalance in the musculoskeletal system, causing the body to move off its normal planes. This can happen due to various factors such as poor posture from prolonged sitting, physical injury, or even repetitive movements. When our body deviates from its natural alignment, it tries to compensate to maintain structural balance. Unfortunately, this compensation often leads to muscle contractions, body distortions, and ultimately, pain. Picture this. You're sitting at a desk for hours on end, your shoulders hunched forward, and your head jutting out. Over time, your muscles adapt to this poor posture, creating imbalances that lead to discomfort and pain. This scenario is all too common in our modern lifestyle. So, how does postural distortion affect the musculoskeletal system? When the body is misaligned, specific muscles become overworked while others are underutilized. This creates a vicious cycle of tension and weakness, making it difficult for the body to function optimally. Additionally, postural distortion can impact other systems within the body, such as the circulatory and nervous systems, exacerbating the overall discomfort. This is where neuromuscular therapy, or NMT, comes into play. NMT is incredibly effective in addressing postural distortions. By identifying the underlying causes of these imbalances, NMT targets specific muscle tensions and re-educates the body to maintain proper alignment. The goal is to restore the musculoskeletal system's balance, alleviate pain, and enhance overall function. During an NMT session, the therapist will assess your posture, identify the areas of imbalance, and then use a combination of pressure, friction, and stretching techniques to release the tension in the affected muscles. This hands-on approach helps the body to realign itself naturally. Over time, with consistent therapy, you'll notice significant improvements in your posture, reduced pain, and better overall physical function. In summary, postural distortion is an imbalance in the musculoskeletal system that can lead to significant pain and discomfort. Poor posture, injury, or repetitive movements can cause this condition. Neuromuscular therapy effectively addresses these imbalances by targeting specific muscle tensions and helping the body to re-educate and realign itself. It's another powerful tool in the NMT arsenal for promoting long-term healing and well-being. Stay with us as we continue exploring more ways neuromuscular therapy can transform your health and happiness. You're listening to the Intuitive Bodywork Podcast, and I'm Alan Jordan. Let's move on to our next exciting topic. Welcome back to the Intuitive Bodywork Podcast. I'm your host, Alan Jordan, and in this segment, we're talking about the crucial connection between nutrition and pain management. It might surprise you just how significant an impact your diet can have on your overall pain levels and healing process. First, let's dive into how our food choices directly influence our body's response to pain. When we consume certain foods, they can either irritate or soothe our nervous system. This can mean the difference between exacerbating pain or promoting healing. Your nervous system is incredibly responsive to what you put into your body, so making smart nutritional choices can complement the hands-on techniques of neuromuscular therapy for more effective pain management. So, what are some of these problematic foods we should be mindful of? There are certain items that are known to exacerbate pain by causing inflammation or irritation in the body. These include artificial sweeteners, dairy products, and gluten-laden foods like cereals, crackers, grains, and pasta. High sugar products such as canned fruit, granola, juice, soda, and protein bars are also on the list, along with MSG and trans fats found in commercially baked goods. Even caffeine, while beloved by many, can have a negative impact on our pain perception. Now, let's focus on the positive, foods that can help reduce pain and boost your overall well-being. Incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your diet can make a substantial difference. These include whole grains like brown rice and quinoa, which are rich in fiber and can help reduce inflammation. Beans, nuts, seeds, and pods are excellent sources of nutrients that support pain relief. Fresh fruits, especially those high in antioxidants, can combat inflammation and promote healing. Including fish and fowl in your meals provides omega-3 fatty acids, well known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Don't forget to drizzle some olive oil on your salads, as it's packed with healthful monounsaturated fats. Spices such as garlic, ginger, cinnamon, turmeric, and rosemary also have natural pain-relieving properties that can soothe your aches. And let's not overlook the benefits of teas like chamomile or green tea, which are known for their calming, anti-inflammatory effects. In summary, by being mindful of your diet, you can complement the benefits of neuromuscular therapy and enhance your pain management strategy. Avoiding foods that cause inflammation and focusing on those that reduce it can make a world of difference in your journey to better health. Stay tuned as we continue to explore more aspects of neuromuscular therapy and how it can transform your well-being. You're listening to the Intuitive Bodywork Podcast, and I'm your host, Alan Jordan. Up next, we'll delve into the importance of emotional wellness and stress management in pain perception. You won't want to miss it. Welcome back to the Intuitive Bodywork Podcast. I'm your host, Alan Jordan, and in this segment, we're delving into the profound connection between chronic pain and mental health. This is a topic close to my heart because it sheds light on the holistic nature of health and wellness, a principle deeply rooted in neuromuscular therapy. First off, let's talk about how chronic pain and mental health are intertwined. When someone experiences persistent pain, it doesn't just affect their body. It takes a toll on their mental well-being too. This can lead to a vicious cycle where pain exacerbates stress and anxiety, which in turn amplifies the perception of pain. It's a challenging loop to break, but understanding the connection is a crucial first step. Now, what makes neuromuscular therapy stand out is its holistic approach. This therapy doesn't merely focus on the physical symptoms, but also considers the emotional and psychological aspects of pain. By acknowledging that our emotional state can significantly impact our physical condition, NMT provides a more comprehensive treatment strategy. The mind and body are not separate entities. They work in tandem, and addressing one often aids in healing the other. One practical way NMT incorporates emotional wellness is through stress relief techniques. Chronic stress can heighten pain sensitivity and slow the healing process. Therefore, integrating stress management methods into therapy sessions is vital. Techniques such as deep breathing, mindfulness, and gentle stretching are often used to calm the mind and relax the body, making the physical treatments more effective. Another critical element is fostering a supportive and nurturing environment during therapy sessions. The goal is to create a space where clients feel safe and heard, which can significantly alleviate stress and promote healing. When clients feel understood and supported, their mental state improves, which positively impacts their physical condition. In summary, emotional wellness and stress management are integral to effective pain management. Neuromuscular therapy's holistic approach ensures that both the mind and body are cared for, paving the way for more profound and lasting healing. By integrating stress relief techniques and fostering a nurturing environment, NMT helps break the cycle of chronic pain and supports overall well-being. Stay tuned as we continue our journey into the world of neuromuscular therapy. You're listening to the Intuitive Bodywork Podcast, and I'm your host, Alan Jordan. Up next, we'll explore what a typical neuromuscular massage therapy session looks like and the specific benefits you can expect from this transformative practice. Welcome back to the Intuitive Bodywork Podcast. I'm your host, Alan Jordan. In this segment, we're diving into what a typical neuromuscular massage therapy session looks like, the techniques used, and the incredible benefits you can experience. If you're curious about what happens behind the scenes in an NMT session, this segment is for you. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the typical structure of an NMT session. Each session usually lasts about an hour and is carefully tailored to address your specific needs. The therapist will start with an initial assessment to understand your pain points, muscle tightness, and any underlying issues. This customized approach ensures that each session targets the exact areas that need attention, maximizing the therapy's effectiveness. Now, on to the exciting part: techniques and objectives. During the session, the therapist employs a combination of pressure applications using their fingers, knuckles, and even elbows to access hard-to-reach muscles. But this isn't just about brute force. It's about precision. The objective here is to allow misfiring muscles to relax and to strengthen weak muscles. You'll experience techniques like sustained pressure, friction, and stretching, all designed to release trigger points and muscle tension. One of the key elements of an NMT session is the methodical approach to treating the body's soft tissues layer by layer, from superficial to deep. The goal is to enable the body to heal independently by eliminating the root causes of muscular pain. This isn't just about immediate pain relief. It's about fostering long-term healing and improved physical function. So what can you expect in terms of benefits? Clients consistently report decreased soreness and a significant restoration of range of motion, flexibility, and strength after just a few sessions. You might feel some immediate relief, but the real magic happens over time as your body responds to the consistent targeted therapy. Your muscles become more balanced, your posture improves, and your overall well-being gets a substantial boost. Neuromuscular therapy also helps improve blood circulation, reduce toxin levels in the body, and boost energy levels. These benefits contribute not just to your physical health, but also to your mental well-being, as a pain-free body can dramatically enhance your overall quality of life. In summary, a typical neuromuscular massage therapy session is a comprehensive and customized experience aimed at addressing specific pain points and muscle imbalances. The various techniques employed focus on long-term healing and improved physical function. The benefits are profound, including reduced pain, increased flexibility, and enhanced overall well-being. It's a transformative practice that offers so much more than just temporary relief. Stay tuned as we continue to explore more aspects of neuromuscular therapy and how it can transform your health and happiness. You're listening to the Intuitive Bodywork Podcast, and I'm your host, Alan Jordan. Up next, we'll delve into the conditions that neuromuscular therapy effectively treats. You won't want to miss it. Welcome back to the Intuitive Bodywork Podcast. I'm your host, Alan Jordan. Now that we've taken a closer look at what a typical neuromuscular massage therapy session involves and its numerous benefits, let's explore the specific conditions that this powerful therapy can effectively treat. Neuromuscular therapy, or NMT, is renowned for its versatility in addressing a wide range of issues. If you've been dealing with persistent pain or physical discomfort, this segment is for you. Here is a list of conditions that can benefit significantly from NMT. First on the list, we have low back pain. This is one of the most common complaints people have, and NMT has shown remarkable results in alleviating this discomfort. By targeting the root causes, such as muscle tension and misalignment, NMT provides lasting relief. Next, let's talk about neck and shoulder pain. Whether caused by poor posture, stress, or injury, these areas are prone to chronic pain. NMT helps by releasing tension and restoring proper alignment, offering significant relief. Migraines and headaches also see great improvement with NMT. By treating trigger points and muscle tension in the neck and head, this therapy can reduce the frequency and intensity of migraines. Then, there's frozen shoulder, a condition that severely limits shoulder movement. NMT helps break down the adhesions and restore mobility, allowing greater freedom and less pain. Sprains and strains are another common issue. Whether you're an athlete or just out and about, NMT can aid in quicker recovery and pain relief by addressing soft tissue damage and promoting healing. Plantar fasciitis, a condition characterized by pain in the sole of the foot, can also be effectively treated with NMT. By targeting tension in the foot muscles and fascia, NMT provides substantial relief. Other conditions include tennis and golf elbow, carpal tunnel syndrome, runner's knee, and even whiplash. Each of these conditions involves muscular tension and imbalances that NMT can effectively address. In addition to these specific issues, NMT is highly effective for general soft tissue and chronic pain-related conditions. Whether it's from repetitive strain, poor posture, or past injuries, NMT can help alleviate pain and improve your quality of life. In summary, neuromuscular therapy is a versatile and highly effective treatment option for a wide range of conditions. From chronic pain to acute injuries, NMT provides targeted relief by addressing the underlying causes. If you or someone you know is dealing with any of these conditions, neuromuscular therapy might just be the answer you've been looking for. Stay tuned as we wrap up this episode and summarize the incredible benefits of neuromuscular therapy. You're listening to the Intuitive Bodywork Podcast, and I'm your host, Alan Jordan. Welcome back to the Intuitive Bodywork Podcast. I'm your host, Alan Jordan. In this segment, we're going to explore a truly fascinating topic, the myriad benefits of neuromuscular massage. Therapy. We've already touched on the intricacies of this therapy, but now let's dive deeper into the physical and mental benefits it offers. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the physical benefits. One of the most significant advantages of neuromuscular massage therapy is its ability to reduce or even eliminate muscle pain. By targeting the root causes of discomfort such as muscle tension, trigger points, and ischemia, NMT provides effective relief. You'll find that nagging aches and chronic pain begin to fade, making way for a more comfortable and pain-free existence. Next up, flexibility and strength. Neuromuscular massage. Therapy significantly enhances both of these physical attributes. As the therapy releases muscle tension and addresses imbalances, you'll notice a marked improvement in your range of motion and overall muscle strength. This isn't just beneficial for athletes or those involved in physical activities. It's something everyone can appreciate in their day-to-day lives. Now, let's discuss ease and efficiency of movement. When your muscles and soft tissues are functioning optimally, every movement becomes more effortless and fluid. You'll find that daily tasks, whether it's bending to pick something up or reaching for an item on a high shelf, no longer cause strain or discomfort. NMT helps you move with greater ease, making life's activities more enjoyable. Improving posture is another standout benefit. Poor posture, often exacerbated by modern lifestyles, can lead to numerous health issues, including back pain, neck strain, and headaches. Neuromuscular massage. Therapy works by realigning the musculoskeletal system, correcting imbalances, and thus improving posture. Over time, this can lead to significant reductions in pain and a more balanced, upright posture. Balanced musculoskeletal and nervous systems are essential for overall health, and NMT plays a crucial role in achieving this balance. By addressing the interconnectedness of the body's systems, NMT ensures that your body operates harmoniously. This holistic approach leads to improved overall well-being. Neuromuscular massage therapy also improves blood circulation. Enhanced blood flow means that your tissues receive more oxygen and nutrients, while waste products are efficiently removed. This not only aids in the healing process, but also boosts your energy levels and vitality. you'll find yourself feeling more refreshed and invigorated after NMT sessions. Finally, let's not forget the mental benefits. A body free of pain contributes significantly to mental well-being. By alleviating physical discomfort, NMT also helps to reduce stress and anxiety. When your body feels good, your mind can relax, leading to an overall sense of peace and well-being. In summary, the benefits of neuromuscular massage therapy are vast and multifaceted. From reducing muscle pain and improving flexibility to enhancing blood circulation and mental well-being, NMT offers a comprehensive approach to health and wellness. It's truly a transformative practice that can make a noticeable difference in your quality of life. Stay tuned as we continue exploring more aspects of neuromuscular therapy and how it can transform your health and happiness. You're listening to the Intuitive Bodywork Podcast, and I'm your host, Alan Jordan. In our next segment, we'll delve into even more exciting information about NMT. You won't want to miss it. As we wrap up today's episode, let's briefly summarize the incredible benefits of neuromuscular therapy. From reducing and eliminating muscle pain to increasing flexibility and strength, enhancing the ease and efficiency of movement, and improving posture. Neuromuscular therapy offers extensive physical advantages, but it doesn't stop there. It also ensures balanced musculoskeletal and nervous systems, improves blood circulation, lowers body toxins, and boosts energy levels and vitality. If you've been dealing with chronic pain or injury, consider exploring what neuromuscular therapy can offer. Its comprehensive approach doesn't just mask the pain, but addresses its root causes, providing long-term relief and enhanced well-being. Give it a try and experience the transformation in your physical health and quality of life. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wonders of neuromuscular therapy. For any links or articles mentioned in today's episode, be sure to check out the show notes. This has been the Intuitive Bodywork Podcast, and I'm your host, Alan Jordan. Until next time, take care and be well.